Greetings everyone. So today I'm going to talk about 10 devices that has the Amazon voice assistant built in that you might not know of. Okay, so these 10 items actually have the Amazon voice assistant built in. So let's start off the list with Sony's headset. So these Sony wireless headset, model number WH-1000XM4, has the Amazon voice assistant built in. It has digital noise cancellation. It has hands-free calling, speak to chat technology, which means it's automatically pause the music when you speak, letting sound in so you can conduct a conversation. It has quick attention mode, so you can place your hand over the right ear cup for a quick instant conversation. It has adaptive sound control, which means it automatically adjusts the sound based on the location and behavior. So basically, if you're in a noisy environment, it's going to adjust the sound automatically, and if you're in a quiet environment, it's going to do the opposite. It has wear detection, so if you take the headset off, it's going to automatically pause whatever is playing, and then it will resume once you put the headset back on. And the battery life lasts approximately 30 hours, and it has a quick charge feature. Next on the list, we have the Fitbit Sense and the Fitbit Versa 3. Now the Fitbit Sense and the Fitbit Versa 3 actually has two voice assistant built in. One from Amazon and one from Google. It has 6+ day battery life. It's water resistant up to 50 meters. It has a 24 hours, 7 days a week heart rate monitor. You can receive text, call, and app notification on the smartwatch. You can store and play music from the device. And they have built-in GPS. The next item on the list is a dash cam. And this one is made by Nexbase. Model number 422GW. Of course, it has the Amazon voice assistant built in. The camera is rated at 1440p, which is a 2K HD resolution. The viewing angle of that camera is 140 degrees. It has an intelligent parking mode, which records bumps and physical movement while the vehicle is left unattended. And it has a SOS emergency mode, which will alert emergency services to your location in the event of an accident. The next item on the list is something that I personally own and reviewed on this channel. And it's the latest Garmin Drive Smart 65 GPS. So this GPS for your car has the Amazon voice assistant is built in. Plus Garmin has its own built-in voice assistant for entering directions and stuff like that. The display is about 7 inches edge to edge, and it also has a built-in Wi-Fi for easy map updates and software updates. So this Garmin GPS actually has two voice assistant built in, one by Garmin and one by Amazon. The next item on the list is Ecobee Smart Thermostat. Now this is a smart thermostat just like the Nest thermostat and any other smart thermostat that's on the market. This one differentiates itself because it has the Amazon voice assistant built in. It also has a SmartSensor that you can put in another room to monitor the entire house. And you can also control the system with the mobile app that's available for your iPhone, your Android phone, and the Apple Watch. The next one on the list is a smoke and carbon monoxide detector. This one is made by First Alert and is called Onelink. And of course, it has the Amazon voice assistant built in. It has a premium home speaker built in so you can listen to music and get notification and other alerts and information. And it has a voice alert to let you know if there's fire or smoke or carbon monoxide based on what it detects. Now the next item, I didn't even know it existed until I started doing my research and it just popped up on my screen. And it's a Motorola Smart Cordless phone. Now I know a lot of people don't use cordless phone these days, especially at home. They just have their cell phone. But this one has special feature that's built in. So this smart cordless phone and answer machine from Motorola, it has a 2-inch color display. It has hands-free speakerphone, backlit keypad, tap and say. So you can tap it and just say, call mom, call dad, call whoever. It has call-in, and you can also do Skype to call-in. So this Motorola cordless phone is actually unique, and I'm thinking about getting one of these to do a review on it. The next item is a laptop by Acer. So this is the Nitro 5 gaming laptop. Of course, it comes with the Amazon voice assistant built in. This laptop sports the 9th generation Intel i5 core processor. It has a 15-inch full color widescreen display. It has an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 graphic card that sports 4 GB of RAM. And the system itself has 8 GB of DDR4 RAM installed. It also sports a 256 GB solid state drive. And it's equipped with the new Wi-Fi 6 AX Wi-Fi antennas. The next item on the list is from Ecobee, and it's a smart camera. So this smart indoor security camera has the Amazon voice assistant built in. It uses Wi-Fi and GPS to detect when your family members are entering and exit your home. And it automatically turns off the camera when those family members are present. And it has 180 degrees field of view. It can send alerts to your mobile phone to let you know, like for instance, if the kids are home, or it detects some strange activities. And the last item on the list is the Vector robot by Anki. So this robot has its own voice assistant built in, but along with their own voice assistant, they decided to add the Amazon voice assistant to control your smart home. So this Vector robot is voice activated. It can answer questions, take pictures, tell you when it's time for dinner, show the weather, and more. Now, the voice feature is only in English at the current time. Now, even though this has the voice assistant built in from Amazon, there's a few things that it's not able to do. So for instance, it cannot play streaming music, like from your Amazon account or Pandora or even Spotify or any other streaming service. But this Vector robot will dance to music if it hears it on an external speaker. So there you have it. Those are the 10 items that I wanted to talk about that has the Amazon built in. So if you never heard of these items, well, now you know. And if you do have any of these items, go ahead and let me know below which one you have and how well it's working out for you. Now, my next video on this topic will be other items that has the Amazon voice assistant built in. So make sure you stay tuned for that video. Until then, check out a couple of these videos that I have up on the screen right now. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell icon so you'll be notified when I release these new feature videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.